Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
This is a super cute box that I am going to share with you today. Opens like this, and inside is just a little mascara, but it could be anything. It could be a gift card, what have you. These are the mascaras that when you paint them on your eyelashes, they turn out to be little tubes. It's a cool trust. I'm a hairdresser, and I come across like these unique beauty products and at the supplier store, so we get to try out all the new fancy stuff all the time. Anyway, so that's my share for today, and I'm going to show you how to make a box like this. Okay, I have a piece of cardstock here. This is Island Indigo, actually, which is retiring, and the cardstock is 5.5 by 5.5. So on one side, so it's square. So on one side, you're going to score at 1/2 and at 5. And then you're going to flip it around to the other side, and you're going to go 1/2, 2.5, 3, and 5. You can see where this is going, right? All right, fold and burnish. The neat thing is, this is such an easy box. Like if you were going to make, like you can design this box around pretty much anything, because all you need to do is kind of figure out the box length and width, and then height. And the height is going to be your sides here. Your width is going to be obviously the width and the length. And it's pretty easy, and then you just divide that by 2 pretty much. It's pretty simple builds, and it's really effective. It takes a tiny little bit of cardstock, and I mean there's only so many handmade boxes and paper crafting things that you can make, so the builds are all kind of the same. Similarly, Pootles does an amazing job of doing some really unique stuff. Hats off to her. She's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to take my fast fuse here, and I'm going to be really accurate on the tabs. And then I'm just going to fold it in. This side gets folded. I'm just going to choose a side right there. So 2 tabs go to the box that's going to be the bottom, basically, of the box. And you'll see I'm going to put my tube mascara right inside. So cute. And then what I like to do is close the box up and then put the tab in, and then fold the side on top of the tab, just so that I know that it's going to be a perfect fit around. You see that? And you can see how these gap or gape. I don't like that. So I'm going to take my scissors, and these are just short blade scissors. Take it right into that edge and then snip off. It's the easiest thing. I'm going to do it with this one. Just right in. There it is. And then that takes care of that. So now I have a piece of, this is Myths and Magic, designer series paper, retired shortly. If you're, I don't know when you're watching this, I'm doing a whole bunch of Fabricate Friday videos ahead of time, so that these take me the longest to film. And I have a piece of Designer Series paper here that is 4 1/4 by 1 7/8, and that leaves a really nice, cute little border. And then I have the Classic Weave Ribbon in Pool Party, because I believe that's Pool Party. Sorry, this is Soft Sky. Pretty sure. Yeah, Soft Sky. And Soft Sky is retiring, as you know. So, now here is the square knot. Left, over right, and under. Okay. Right, over left, and over. Now the trick is to only pull the the right side, so you get a beautiful square knot, right? I always forget the part about pull left. Sorry, pull right. I get my left and right mixed up. It's a creative thing. Seriously, I have to think about it. Anyway, there is my share for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye!
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.